Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is Gauss's law. The statement of Gauss's law, first heading should be statement. According to Gauss's law, the electric flux through any closed surface is 1 over epsilon naught times here times means multiplication to the total charge enclosed in it. The second heading should be explanation. Let point charges here. Some point charges arbitrarily distributed in an arbitrarily shaped closed surface as shown in figure. This one is the arbitrary shape. Okay, random shape, not a fixed shape. In the previous lecture we deal with the spherical surface here, but here the arbitrary shape, irregular shape, and the point charges here, these are the point charges are also arbitrarily distributed inside of the closed surface. Okay, now I am going towards the derivation. The electric flux due to this charge Q1 is equal to phi E1, which is equal to Q1 epsilon naught. This is the application of the tomorrow lecture. Okay, electric flux due to Q2 charge will be phi E for electric and 2 for second charge, which is equal to Q by epsilon naught. And similarly here, different charges having different electric flux, and finally the electric flux due to Q nth charge, which is equal to phi En Q n our epsilon naught. Okay, these are equation 1, 2, 3 up to nth equation, and we can calculate these the total electric flux by adding these equations. So the total electric flux is equal to phi E1 plus phi E2 plus phi E3 plus phi up to phi En. Okay, just putting the values from equation using equation 1, 2, 3 and equation Q1 our epsilon naught, Q2 our epsilon naught plus Q3 our epsilon naught, Qn our epsilon naught. Okay, these epsilon naughts are the same quantity in each term, so we can take common 1 over epsilon naught. So the remaining part will be Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Qn. These are all the charges inside of the arbitrarily shaped enclosed charges. Okay, these are the total charge. Basically this one is the total charge enclosed by the surface, which is closed surface. So this can be represented in the form of a Q, in the form of here this one is the Q. This is the Gauss's law. Okay, this is the statement of Gauss's law. In the next lecture we will deal about the application of Gauss's law. Next lecture, that formula is very important, and by definition the formula of electric flux was E dot A, and the second by Gauss's law today I proved Q power epsilon naught. These two formulas are very important for the applications of the Gauss's law. Okay.